Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to grow Chinese cabbage using recycled sacks. Perfect for those of you who have limited space at home. This simple method lets you enjoy fresh vegetables straight from your own yard. First, prepare an old rice sack or sugar sack. Make small holes at the bottom so water can drain easily. For the growing media, mix loose soil, well-composted manure, and rice husks in a 2:1.1 ratio. Stir the mixture thoroughly, then fill the sack until it's almost full. Next, make small holes about 2 centimeters deep. Place one Chinese cabbage seedling into each hole, then gently cover it with soil. Water the plants lightly to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. During the growing period, make sure the plants get enough sunlight. Water them twice a day, in the morning and afternoon. Every 2 weeks, add a bit of manure around the base to keep the soil fertile. If you see weeds or damaged leaves, remove them right away to keep your plants healthy. Keep an eye out for pests like caterpillars or aphids. If you see any, you can remove them by hand or spray them with a natural pest repellent made from garlic, chili, and soap water. And don't forget to remove weeds and yellowing leaves regularly to keep your plants healthy. After about 40 to 50 days, your Chinese cabbage will be ready to harvest. Choose the plants with large, firm leaves and thick stems. With this simple method, you can grow fresh, healthy vegetables using just recycled sacks. No wide land needed. Give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.